Let's talk a little bit about how you can connect your own device, so your laptop, in a medium or large meeting room and use the technology in the rooms to run a meeting that you've been invited to that's not Google Meet. Okay, so this is called BYOD conferencing. First thing is the technology in the room is Google Meet. Like the touch screen and everything is set up for that. So if you're going to run your meeting from your laptop, like a Zoom meeting or Teams or something like that, then you're not going to use the Google Meet portion of it. So this little touch screen is not going to be used when you're in this meeting. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to bring your laptop into the room and you're going to look for two things. There's a wireless video sharing called the Barco Click Share, and there's a USB-C, this little purple cable, for connecting your computer to all the peripherals in the room. First thing we're going to do is take the USB-C and plug that into your computer, and you're going to see that that's going to trigger the system to connect to your laptop. So about 5 seconds, and then it's going to switch to the laptop. Next, you're going to see the Barco Click Share splash screen, which gives you some instructions on how to connect the ClickShare, but I'll walk you through that here. You're going to use the little wireless button. Now, this button is a USB-C button, but there's a little adapter that we've left in the room to convert it to USB-A, just in case you need that. So you're going to plug that into the computer. Now, you're going to see on the ClickShare button a little white light kind of showing up on the ring or the ClickShare button. And on your computer, it's going to ask you what you'd like to do with this. Okay, so this is just like connecting a USB thumb drive into your computer. You're going to want to go to this device. So you're going to open up File Explorer. On Windows, you just hit the Windows button and the letter E. And then you're going to navigate to what's called the ClickShare drive. So you can see that here. I'll open that up, and then you'll see a ClickShare for Windows executable. If you're running on a Mac, same process. You go to the File Explorer, you open up the drive that is Barco ClickShare, and you'll have an executable for your Mac. I'm going to double click the executable for ClickShare for Windows, and that's going to run the little application. And once that application is ready, you'll see here that it's in the bottom right hand corner, or this little icon that comes up, that you're ready to share now with the system in the room. So all you do is you hit the button, the light turns red, it tells you it's sharing, and now my screen is on the big screen. So whatever I'm doing on my screen will show up there. Now, because this is BYOD conferencing, I'm going to open up my Zoom app. And before I join my meeting, I'm going to make sure that the equipment in the room is connected. So I'm going to go to Settings. Then I'm going to go to Video. And I'm going to click the little drop-down arrow and make sure that the Logi Rally Bar Mini is what's being used, in this case here. In a larger room, it might just say Logi Rally Bar, and that's okay, but that's what we're looking for. Then I'm going to go to Audio, and for my speaker section, I'm going to click on it, and I'm looking for Echo Canceling Speakerphone Logi Rally Bar. And I'm going to do the same thing for microphones as well. Echo Canceling Speakerphone Logi Rally Bar. Now that I've chosen that, all three peripherals, I'm ready to jump into my meeting. So here on Zoom, I'm going to go and just create a quick meeting. And as you can see, it's connected to the meeting. Now the experience here at my laptop is the same thing as if you're at your desk, at home, or what have you. You're just running the meeting. You're joining with the computer audio. And now we're using the peripherals in the room for this meeting. On the bottom left-hand side of the screen here, you'll see that the microphone is working. There's giving some feedback, and you do have video. These little arrows you can click on and make sure that you're using the Logi Rally Bar for both microphone and speaker. And also for your camera, your settings that you chose before are going to be there. Now you're ready to run your meeting. Anyone in the room will see what's on your desktop. Everyone that's outside of the room will see the camera, hear the microphones and the speakers. You can share your desktop just like you would normally. So click share, choose your desktop, and it shares to the room. And when you're done, you just simply end your meeting. Click end. And there we go. To leave the room, you simply disconnect the equipment. So you can stop the video sharing by pressing the click share button. The ring will turn white again. You can unplug it. And then for the USB connection, the purple cable, you can unplug that. Now you can see the system has detected that you've unplugged it, and it's going to switch back to Google Meet mode. Now you're ready for your next meeting. This is how you use the BYOD conferencing feature in your medium-large rooms with the USB cable and the wireless presentation solution.